Today unboxing is on Tomica 50th Anniversary History Selection Volume 5, and this time is the Nissan Fairlady Z. I have did a dedicated unboxing on every of the Tomica History Selection. If you missed the video, you can always check it out. There's going to be 6 volumes in total, which they will finish up with 2020 for the last casting. Maybe it's the Nissan 2020 Anniversary or the GR Supra. If you'd like to make a guess, please do comment below. Volume 1 is focused on the Toyota 2000 GT, the Nissan Silvia from Volume 2, the Mazda RX-7 petrol car, and the popular Honda NSX-R from 2000 to 2009. And now let's take a closer look at the Nissan Fairlady Z from 2010 to 2019. A very tall box made to resemblance a book. Just like the rest of the volume, it has a flap which will open up to reveal the Tomica 50th Anniversary poster, a para of bio above that talks about the 50th anniversary, and also the bio for the Nissan Fairlady Z, all written in Japanese. The casting is enclosed in the blister that can be easily taken out. Casting itself is no surprise. Very basic finishing, just like the mainline red box. Nice paint job in gunmetal and high gloss finish. The liveries are sharp that features the Fairlady Z and the Nissan badge. Standard opening doors with suspension just like the previous release. Plastic base, and it's a huge casting in 1:57 scale. Basic details on the front as well. A clear Nissan badge and also painted headlights. Although the Nissan Fairlady Z is no surprise, it's still a very nice addition to the Tomica 50th Anniversary collection. Stay tuned for Volume 6 unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!